Hi everybody, and welcome to this new section number 4, Enhancing your Movie Player app user interface. In this section, we will continue developing our Movie Player app. Let's dive right into our first video, which is about handling movie selection in Electron. So we'll go straight away to the code. Let me open my code editor. Here we are, and the first thing that I want you to do is remove that annoying console log that we had right here, because we don't need it anymore. Everything is working on our renderer process, so we don't need this. The other thing is to understand that if we go into components and movie, we can see that every time that the movie gets rendered, on this onClick event, we will select the movie. And to do this, we don't actually need Electron because we have all the information we need. We have the category folder, and also here will be video because it will be our video file. And also we have the name of the file, so everything that we need is already here. And to do this, we'll set up first the Redux side. So I'm going to go to types and create a new type. So we're going to select a new movie, and to do that we need an action creator. So I'm going to create one. First of all, let me import our new type. This action creator will get the movie path and return an action with a type of select movie and also payload of movie path. Now we will go into the reducer, and also here I'm gonna get the new type, and also I'm gonna add the selected movie property into our state, and every time the reducer listens to this type of action, we're gonna return the old state plus the new movie, the selected one, which is in action.payload. Here's all that we needed to do right here. Now let's go back to our component, and right here we're gonna call that action creator. Here we need to pass the path of the selected movie, and to do this we're gonna create an object, a string literal, because first of all we need our category folder, which we can get here, and then we're gonna specify. And also the last thing is to replace the name item with the properties extension, because right now it's JPEG, so we're gonna replace JPEG with MP4. So this should be enough to select this movie. And the last thing is, into our app.js, we are gonna connect this component into Redux and make sure that every time that we have a selected movie, we don't render the category and the movie components, but we render the player one. So the first thing is to connect into Redux. We're gonna do that with the connect object. We're gonna read our store, and to do that we need map state to props. We need to read it to return everything related to our movie. And also we're gonna pass map state to props to our connect function. And right here, if we have a selected movie, then we're gonna return early with a div that will basically just print our selected movie. So here we are. Let me start our application. Here's the app, action, clicking on one, and we get the movie that we just selected. So this video is over. We completed our mission for this one, and this brings us to the end of the video, and the